Hi, my name is Lina Agapta and this is my twin. Her name is Lika Agapta.
Hello, this time we will learn vocabulary through the dessert we are going to make. The dessert we will make called Japanese truffle cheesecake.
Let's follow us to know more.
Afternoon, Lina and Lika live in the apartment. The apartment by watching TV.
It's September 29, 2020, Tuesday. Good morning. This is Rekame Binoyo and you are...
Suddenly, I feel hungry.
Lynn, are you hungry? I'm hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry too. What do you want to eat?
They also think, what can they make for it?
Aha! Let's just make a cake.
Oh, sounds good. Let's go to the kitchen.
Prepare the tools and ingredients first.
Okay.
Tools, baking paper, cake pan, spoon, aluminum foil, bowl, cooling rack, mixer, knife, plate, tray, measuring cup, spatula, cutting board, brush, filter, whisk, oven, and fridge. For the ingredients, cream cheese, sour cream, unsalted butter, egg yolks, cake flour, milk, vanilla extract, egg whites, sugar, apricot jam diluted with rum.
Step 1. Grease the inside of the cake pan with butter.
Grease. Apply with coating material such as butter, mayonnaise, cheese, jam on the surface of bread, ice, etc.
Step 2. Then put the baking paper inside the cake pan and coat the outside of the cake pan with aluminum foil. Step 3. Mix the cream cheese, sour cream, and butter into a bowl and stir it with whisk. Step 4. Add the egg yolk to the dough and stir it.
Add another ingredients or something else.
Step 5. Strain the cake flour, then add it to the dough and stir it.
Strain. Activities to filter cooking or cake ingredients so that the size becomes smoother and softer than before.
Step 6. Add milk into the dough and stir until it's flat. Step 7. Then add vanilla extract and stir. Stir. Move a spoon or other implement around in order to mix it thoroughly. Step 8. After the dough flat, filter it to the bowl. Step 9. Time to make meringues with the egg white. Then add the sugar and mix it with mixer. Step 10. After the meringues made up, add half of the meringues to the dough and whisk it well. Step 11. Mix the rest of meringues to the dough and whisk it well.
Mix. The goal is to combine various ingredients in one dough. This activity is generally done while making cakes.
Step 12. Pour the dough into the cake pan and put the cake pan on the tray. Step 13. Pour the hot water to the tray.
4. The activity of pouring liquids, water, drinks, ices into a cup of glass or container.
Step 14. Then put the tray in the oven and bake it.
Put. Move or replace something to another position.
Step 15. After the cake is baked, remove the cake from oven and put it on the cooling rack. Let the cake cool down and put it into the fridge. Step 16. After that, move the cake from fridge. Then separate the cake from cake pan and put the cake on a cutting board. Step 17. Cut the cake and put it on the plate. For the last touch, brush the top with the apricot jam.
Cut. Make a shape or resize.
It looks delicious.
Hey, let's test it.
Let's eat. It is delicious.
Yes, it's really good. The cake is so soft.
That's story of Vinalika, twin.
How much vocabulary that we learn while making a dessert.
We have learned 8 vocabulary. Let's repeat. Grease. Apply a coating material such as butter, mayonnaise, cheese, jam on the surface of bread, pies, etc. Add another ingredients or something else. Strain. Activities to filter cooking or cake ingredients so that the size becomes smoother and softer than before. Stir. Move a spoon or other implement around in order to mix it thoroughly. Mix. The goal is to combine various ingredients in one dough. This activity is generally done while making cakes. Pour. The activity of pouring liquid, water, drinks, spices into a cup of glass or container. Put. Move or replace something to another position. Cut. Make a shape or resize.
That's the story from us.
Bye bye.